juice on wrinkles, onion smells, onion strings, onions combat wrinkle. There are definitely more pleasant things you can apply to your face. So today's video will discuss how to use onion juice for wrinkles.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
How to use onion juice for wrinkles. Here is how to apply onion juice the right way to ensure you get the most benefits. Step by step, halve and chop finely this religious juice. Dip a cotton ball into this juice. Onion bits on the cotton are fine and dab onto your face. Concentrate on wrinkle-prone area, fine lines or pigmentation patches. Leave for about 20 minutes, then rinse off with cool water. Repeat 3 to 5 times a week for best result. Daily is good too if you have the time and onion supply. Results: why onions work and what they do. The humble onion is very high in vitamin C, which is one of the best antioxidants you can use on your skin. This vitamin mops up the skin aging free radicals, lightens pigmentation, gently exfoliates, and gives you that coveted glow. Onions are also naturally high in sulfur, which is a great acne fighter. So if your battle breakouts plus aging concerns stalk your face, are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.